Hi, my name is Adrian, and we'll be explaining squaring binomials of the form ax plus b. So this is our problem right here, 5x plus 10 is squared. And I did this little example problem, I guess, from the video, and I put it right here so it'll kind of help me. So we start off with a plus b squared in parentheses, and you're not gonna, distribute each one to squared. It's not going to be a squared plus b squared. It's going to be, you're splitting the problems up. So you'll split them up, and then the next step after that would be right here. You'll be putting them into an equation. So it'll be a times, in parentheses, a plus b times, in parentheses, a plus b. And then the next step after that would be squaring them and solving it right here. It'd be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And we're going to transfer that over to this problem. So first we'll split it up. We'll go 5x plus 10x. And then we'll do another another 5x plus 10. And we split that up. Boom, boom. And now we will put it in the next step. And that will be 5x squared plus 2 5x 10. We're running out of space, so we'll just go right here. Plus 10 squared. And from there, we just need to solve, for each squared and this part right here in the middle. We'll just solve that right now. That's going to be 25x plus, let's see, that's going to be 10 plus another times 10. That'll be 100 right here. And then 10 squared will be another 100 right here. So I forgot something. I forgot to put this x right here in with this 100. So it would actually be 25x squared plus 100x plus 100. And that's it.